Today, we're going to spend some time investigating techniques in making your morning routine a wealth-building habit. Be honest in answering these questions. Do you really believe that wealth comes only through luck? Is it all you need to have to become successful? If you answered yes, you're on the wrong track. Building wealth isn't this easy. Those who can create a system to build wealth can eventually succeed, and this system requires you to utilize your day productively and meaningfully. Mornings are the parts of your day that most of us neglect severely. In his 5-year study on the secret behind the success of self-made millionaires, renowned author Tom Corley found that around 50% of the people he viewed as millionaires woke up as early as before dawn. For instance, Microsoft founder Bill Gates and Virgin Group founder Richard Branson start their day at 5 a.m., and that the first thing that they do is exercise, after which they read the newspaper and listen to music while having breakfast. If you research the habits of the ultra-wealthy, you'll find that all millionaires and billionaires have personalized morning routines that proved crucial in strengthening their careers. The morning routine is one of the most recurring aspects of the most wealthy people. Are you wondering why? That's because our days are usually filled with so many responsibilities and are so hectic that there's little room left to focus on ourselves. Developing a productive morning routine will help you find time to focus on your life goals and aspirations. By waking up before 6 a.m. or at 6 a.m. instead of spending those crucial morning hours sleeping, you can encourage self-improvement on many different levels. In this video, we'll talk about the most beneficial morning habits that ultimately help you build your wealth. Start your day with exercise. No one can argue that exercising isn't excellent for our body and brain's health and positive development. According to a study published in 2018, a 10-minute light workout session is enough to boost memory and improve productivity, and most wealthy individuals whom we look up to for inspiration are already following this routine religiously. For example, Oprah Winfrey wakes up at 7 a.m. and exercises for at least an hour. She mostly does resistance flexibility training. On the other hand, Bill Gates starts his morning with cardio. 1 hour is needed to make your brain sharper and stay focused throughout the day. That's not all. Exercise is directly linked to your work performance. Research reveals that men who go to the gym before going to work can expect 7% higher pay, whereas females can expect 12% higher pay. Moreover, exercise keeps us healthy and fit, so you pay $120,000 less in healthcare costs after 65 compared to a less fit individual. Several studies have shown that midlife fitness is linked with lower medical costs post-retirement, and healthy people secure an additional $500,000 in net worth after they retire. Obese workers earn around 2.5% less than people with normal weights. And overweight individuals spend $65,000 more annually after they turn 40. So exercise should be a part of your morning routine because it prevents costly ailments, such as cardiovascular disease or diabetes, and offers lasting health benefits. Meditate to get clarity. Clarity is the core principle behind a successful career. Success comes easily when you have clarity of mind, thoughts, and ambitions. People who clearly understand which direction they want to go can create wealth. It's this clarity that guides the decisions you make daily. One of the best methods of gaining this clarity is meditation. And the best time to meditate is early morning. Adrienne Huffington starts her day with an hour-long yoga meditation. CEO of Twitter and Square, Jack Dorsey, wakes up at 5:45 a.m. and meditates for an hour, after which he indulges in a 7-minute workout if he doesn't walk to his workplace. The purpose of meditation is to determine your goals and dreams. This is only possible when you have clarity of thoughts. Meditation helps eliminate negative thoughts and energy that may hinder your growth and progress as an individual and a professional. With a positive approach, you can better concentrate on your task of the day, which greatly improves your chances of success. Planning for the day. Mornings are an ideal time to plan for your day because you have a few extra hours. It's up to you how to utilize them. Planning for the day is a fantastic way to prepare yourself mentally and physically for upcoming activities. Tesla and Twitter owner Elon Musk always plans his day in the morning and sticks to it. He likes to schedule his daily activities in 5-minute blocks to make them more precise and doable. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos always holds high IQ meetings early in the morning and determines which time of the day he needs to set aside for more challenging and demanding tasks. He likes to create a solid plan by streamlining work to keep himself on the right track and minimize stress. So, mapping out the day ensures better performance and prioritizing tasks that really matter. Count your blessings. There's no harm in being thankful, even if you're going through a difficult phase in life. It's the best way to stay motivated and productive. You must focus on what you already have rather than what you don't. This is important because when you start counting your blessings early in the day, you're far less likely to overspend later. Consider overspending a grave money mistake that prevents many of us from accumulating wealth. It is natural to feel that you don't have anything to be thankful for. Just imagine, if you live in a free country or are in perfect health, aren't these blessings compared to those who don't? Read and learn. Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett reads more than 600 pages daily during his struggling days, and even today, he spends 80% of the day reading Wall Street Journal or USA Today. Reading is directly and positively linked to learning. Learning is a lifelong process. You get to increase your knowledge reserves and apply the information to improve your financial position. In fact, simply by staying up to date about the latest happenings, you can attain success, such as reading financial-related articles, can help you invest wisely and become your own financial advisor. Money building isn't difficult if you understand how to manage finances and not let unscrupulous people impact your growth. You can spend 15 minutes in the morning reading an article or a few pages of a book to develop the habit of reading. Within no time, you'll see an incredible enhancement in your perspective towards life, money, and work. You can read about anything from blogs to newspapers and magazines when having breakfast, or listen to audiobooks and podcasts when driving to work. The idea is to learn and educate yourself. Work on a side hustle. Money building demands an upward career trajectory, but if you stay stuck with the same old 9-to-5 job and don't think about expanding your boundaries, you cannot increase your net worth. A side hustle is necessary to earn, save, and invest more. Do you know millionaires have more than 7 income sources on average? Why should you restrict yourself to just one? Focus on earning and utilize the free time that you have in the morning working on a side hustle. Believe it or not, you can make much more with a side hustle and enjoy a comfortable life after retirement. Catch up with your folks. This is one habit that you should give the most importance to. A combined study from Fisher College and Wharton School published in 2011 revealed that your mood in the morning impacts your productivity during the day. Entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk says that his morning routine includes calling someone from his family or friend circle while going to work. I'll catch up with them and I'll catch up with them. I really value those small moments, he once said. A productive morning routine is essential for your overall progress. Your mind will be more alert and sharper, and you won't have other distractions that affect your mood. You can utilize mornings then to learn, plan, get fitter, and design your future. Think about it. We hope you like this video and that it inspires you to set your own goals to build your wealth. Please share your thoughts in the comments section, including which of these takeaways you'll apply in your life. If there's a specific topic you'd like to see profiled, leave your suggestion in the comments as well. Don't forget the like and subscribe buttons. Press the bell icon to stay connected. This is Aimed Intentions, and thanks for watching.